Hi everyone, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to do the unboxing for the January knit box. Really excited about this one. It is a heavy box, as most of the people who received them have found out. So of course in the mail you got the iconic red box, and inside it, of course, there's always a little joke, a punny riddle or something from us. And this one says, why did the spiced apple cross the road? To get to the other cider. But it made sure to look both ways because its spice makes it a law-abiding cinnamon. It's funny. Apparently we're doing something with spice. So of course, consider it tissue paper. And so there are two big things. Looks like we got two things of yarn in here. Do you like how I pretend that I don't know what's in here? But I do, but I don't. Look at this, beautiful. So this is Simplinatural by HiKoo. It's a wonderful, fantastically soft yarn in this really gorgeous sort of wineish colorway. And here's another one. So you're getting two giant hanks of yarn, and this is 40% baby alpaca, 40% fine merino, and 20% mulberry silk. And there's 183 yards, I think, in each hank. So that's a lot of yarn that you're getting. Yay, congratulations. Super soft, wonderful stuff. Great stitch definition. And there's more stuff in here. There is mulling spices. So some traditional mulling spices. So you can make a really wonderful, you can make a spiced cider if you want, like apple juice or some kind of juice. You put these in there. You can also make mulled wine. This comes from a company called India Tree. It is based here in Seattle. So super wonderful, high quality mulling spices to help warm up our January. So I guess that's where the spiced part came into play. So what are we gonna make? Of course, you know there's a download code for the pattern. Of course, it's in the box. And there is a printed copy of the pattern. And this time, you're gonna make two things, or you can make two different items. It's called the Spiced Cider hat and scarf. So here is the hat. It's designed by Jennifer Burt, and it's a wonderful sort of a knit purl pattern. This one, of course, is worked in the round, and then the scarf, which yes, I have the scarf here too, is another sort of chevron-y, that shows up pretty good, chevron-y piece that it works its way to the middle. There's a center section, and then it works its way back down to the end of the project. So all of the pattern is, of course, written out line by line for those of you who like written instructions, and they are charted for people who are more visual in the way that they follow their knitting patterns. So yeah, that is it. We get some really wonderful mulling spices to create a delicious drink to keep us warm. We get a beautiful hat. I could put this hat on, couldn't I? Because my head's cold anyway. We get a beautiful hat that is sort of a beanie-ish hat, which I like. Yay. I'm gonna wear that, actually, it's nice. You get a beanie-ish hat, and then a really wonderful big scarf. Hey, I could put this on too, couldn't I? For our January box. So as you know, these boxes come monthly. They're monthly subscriptions. It's an automatic thing. I'll put my little beaded, this is my wool moth that my friend Hyde made me. It's all beaded, I love it. So anyway, it is a monthly subscription. Of course, you sign up, it's a penny to sign up. The box itself is $35 a month. We ship it out to you. Shipping, I believe, is $7. And once a month, you'll get a box of surprises with a pattern and all kinds of fun stuff. So if you'd like to join us for our next one, be sure to check out makersmercantile.com. click on the subscription tab and sign up so that you can join us in the fun. So that is it for the January box. I'm super excited. Thank you to Jennifer for designing such a wonderful set, and hooray for all of us who got these yarns. The other thing I will mention is not everyone got this berry-ish color. Some people actually also got this really gorgeous dark brown color. So we thought they both worked really well. So we decided to mix it up a bit. So some people got the brown and some people got this really fun wine-ish color. So that's it for January. Have a wonderful, wonderful month, everyone. And we will see you again in February for the next Maker's Knit Box. Bye.